Okay. In the previous lecture, I completed till that second one, that is checking grammatical errors and all everything. Okay, so now I'll continue from here again. So second real-time example is checking grammatical errors, and coming to the third one, that is sentiment analysis, and fourth one is summarizing a text or article, and predicting the genre of books. So these are all the real time examples. Already in the previous video we discussed about all these things. So now coming to this, a simple example I'll explain with a simple example. So checking a grammatical errors means, I think everyone are using a Microsoft Word, right? So there, if you write any information like sentence mistakes, grammar mistakes, all these things, it automatically detect that in the with underlying a red color mark. So who will do that one? This NLP system will do only. So best example for checking grammatical error NLP application is Grammarly. I think most of the people knows that Grammarly. So this is one of the best friend of research scholars and MTech students, RBTech students, whoever want to correct their grammatical errors. Then coming to the third one, that is sentiment analysis. So here see this one, sentiment analysis means it's suppose if you consider speech as a input, it will identify that based on the frequency how you are speaking, like the mood of your voice. So maybe happy, or maybe sad, or maybe any irritating mood, like that it will identify that a particular mood of your input. And suppose your input as a consider input as a text means, there by analyzing the words it will identify that a mood of a particular word. So here subjective opinions of a text or a speech. Then coming to the fourth one, that is a summarizing a text or article. Suppose your data will be 100 lines. So reading the 100 lines means it's very difficult for the normal students. So that time what we will do, just we will summarize the text. During this summarization, the important points only will appear. So how that important points only will appear? By analyzing that 100 lines of text, then it will produce as a output like a summarization, like a 10 lines or like that everything. So here best example is Quillboard. I think everyone knows this Quillboard, those who are doing the projects, that people knows this Quillboard. Then coming to the fifth one, that is predicting the genre of books. So then coming to the sixth one, speech recognition. So speech recognition means which is used in the virtual assistants. I think nowadays in everyone home they are having Apple mobile phones and Google Assistants and Amazon Alexas. So these are the best real-time NLP examples. So suppose if you take Alexa as an example, after entering into the home, or after entering into the college or whatever it is, if you say that, hey Alexa, open this one, I think everyone knows this. So automatically based on the frequency, it will analyze your text and it will give output according to your voice or anything, voice or text. So these are the best digital assistants. We can call it as a digital assistants or virtual assistants. Then the seventh one is question answering and chatbots. Question answering, so just like a survey, and chatbot. So best example for this question answering and chatbot is Chat GPT. I think nowadays everyone knows this Chat GPT, right? So here the best thing in the question answering NLP application system is, so whatever the question you are asking, only for that question it will give the answer, not unnecessary information. So here for analyzing your text, prompt should be very important. So based on your prompt, it will give a direct answer without asking so many questions, without giving unwanted information. It will give direct answer. So these are the best real-time examples of NLP system. Thank you.